Hey guys, I'm super excited to show you the latest update to our popular word search tool, the ability to create two-page puzzles. I've had a lot of people ask me for this feature. I know you're going to love it, so let's get to it. To get to the word search tool, either click on Activity Book's word search puzzle tool or just click on the icon. I'm going to have an 8.5 by 11 book with 4 answers per page. And I'm going to do 12 puzzles. We'll start with puzzle number 1. And let's say we want, let's go with 50 words per puzzle. And let's use a 20 by 30 grid size. Now here's how you set it to do two-page puzzles. You just click this button, two-page puzzles. Pretty simple, huh? And because I don't want to have to come up with 50 words for all 12 of these puzzles, I'm going to use AI instead. I have a set of themes I'm going to copy. I'll stick them in here. And let's also use these themes as the titles for my puzzle. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's go. Let's start by hitting the refresh button and getting a preview. All right, so here's our preview. So here's our word list page, our puzzle page, and our answer page. So before you download it, you want to do your preview so you can check the sizes of all of your letters and make sure they look the way you want them to. So I like this, I like that. I'm not thrilled with this. I think what I would like to do is, since I have 50 words, how about we do 5 columns? And let's make the font size bigger, a lot bigger. You can also, so over here we did not have the word list in front of it. So we have an option here. You can either put word list or whatever words you want to say for word list at the top and then your words, or you can just have it like this, just the list of the words. That is entirely up to you, whichever way you want to do it. So I'm going to add a title of word list. And font size, let's make this bigger. Our words are 20. Let's make this like 24. And you can decide where you want to start the title at, so you can move it down if you wish. You can also put how much space you want between your title and your words. So let's do another update and see what that looks like. And now I have my word list looking like this, and I don't like that either. So maybe we'll just do 2 lines instead of 5. I want to use an even number because I want to have the same number on each side. So let's do another refresh and see what that looks like. That looks better. The only thing I think I want to do now is just move the whole thing down just a bit. So instead of having it at 0.2, let's do maybe 0.5 and maybe a little bit more space. All right, one last time. Let's see if we like it now. I think that looks better, and now the only thing I have left to do is download all 12 of my puzzles. I've downloaded my puzzle, but I've got this message, alert, not all words placed in downloaded puzzle. That means that the tool wasn't able to put all 50 words for all of the puzzles. So let's look at what we got here. It alternates between word list and the puzzle, word list and the puzzle. See, here's one where it didn't have all of them. Probably because these were really long. That's probably what happened there. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, this one had the same problem. The way to fix that is to go back into your puzzle settings and change the letters across and or the letters down. So how about we change this to 25 and 35 and download it again and see what we get. This time I didn't get that message, so it means all of my words were placed. Let's go look at our final document. So now we have our word list and our puzzles for all 12 of the puzzles. And they all have the 50 words that we wanted. And then it is followed by all of the answers. I hope that you find this new function of our word search tool to be useful. I think it's going to be perfect for those of you that are creating books for the large print target audience. We will soon be adding this 2-page ability to our crossword puzzle tool and the word fill tool. So if you have any questions about how to use this tool or any suggestions on improvements or new tools, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.